Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how to fix Instagram Reels option is not showing. If you cannot see Instagram Reels option on your Instagram app, then you have to adopt these three methods. So the first method is you have to open Play Store. If you are iOS user, you have to open App Store, and then you have to search Instagram application and you have to update your Instagram application. After installation, you have to open Instagram application. If you still cannot see the Instagram Reels option, then you have to go back to Play Store. Here you will see Instagram beta program. You have to join that beta program and then you have to update your Instagram application again. After installation, you have to open Instagram app. If you still cannot see Instagram Reels option, then you have to adopt third method. You have to go to your phone settings and then you have to go to apps, and then you have to open Instagram. From here you have to go to storage, clear the cache and clear the app data, and then you have to uninstall Instagram application and you have to install again, and then Instagram Reels option will appear. So this is how you can fix Instagram Reels option if it is not appearing on your Android and iOS devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.